everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Annie Leanne, and first of all I want to wish you guys a very happy new year because this is my first video for 2022. I hope you guys are having an amazing year so far. So in today's video I will be updating you on my hair since I did the second big chop. So if you're interested, then keep watching. So I will be going through my hair regimen, products that I've been using, some photo comparisons, doing a length check, and also talking about my plans for my hair for 2022. So first of all, I'll give you guys a bit of a background of my hair. This year, October 3rd of this year would be 10 years that I will be natural. So my first big chop was October 3rd, 2012. And then I did a second big chop September 13th, 2020. So if you want to know a bit of the backstory of my hair, the reason why I did a second big chop, then go ahead and watch this video over here where I detail this. And also you can see me actually cutting my hair in this video over here as well. So go ahead and watch these videos and then you can come back to this afterwards. So let's talk about my hair regimen. So my hair regimen is pretty much still quite simple. I do my wash day on Saturdays or Sundays, and this encompasses a pre-shampoo treatment, which is usually a hot oil treatment. And I found that hot oil treatments help to really maintain my hair because I'm able to maintain moisture a bit longer when I do routine hot oil treatments, and I do think that they help with growth as well. So I do a pre-shampoo treatment, then I go ahead and cleanse my hair with shampoo. And I think this is very necessary to get rid of all the product buildup. And I use a deep conditioner. Usually this is a moisturizing conditioner, and I sit under my hooded dryer for 30 minutes. And I think sitting under the hooded dryer for 30 minutes is very, very key because it helps my conditioner to work better. And this is something that I have been very consistent with, and I think it's really helped with the overall health of my hair. That's basically my wash day. I always deep condition every single time I shampoo, and I shampoo once a week. So there are some products I've incorporated into my regimen that I think have really helped with the overall health of my hair. The first brand I'm going to talk about would be Aphogee. And Aphogee has a lot of products on the market, but the ones that I have been using would be the 2-step protein treatment as well as the keratin 2-minute reconstructor treatment. So the 2-step protein treatment is a very strong protein treatment. Since I did the second big chop, I've been using it every 6 weeks, and I have been consistent with it. So what I do is that I take out my Google Calendar and I put in every single weekend that I'm meant to be doing the Aphogee treatment, and I do that for the entire year. And then I know exactly when I'm supposed to do the treatment. I'm not doing it too soon, I'm not doing it too late, and it just helps me to be very organized. So I have been doing the 2-step protein treatment every 6 weeks consistently, and then I have also incorporated every couple of weeks or so I would do the 2-minute reconstructor treatment as well. Or as often as I see fit, I would use that as well. I have a video on my channel with the Aphogee 2-step protein treatment. If you're interested in this, you can just click here and go ahead and watch that video as well. So Aphogee has really helped me to maintain a protein moisture balance, which is something that I think is very essential for healthy hair. And most people tend to think that natural hair doesn't really need protein, but our hair is made up of protein, majority protein, keratin. And I do think that having a really good balance between moisture and protein helps the integrity of your hair, helps the strength of your hair, and the overall health of your hair. But I must say that at the point of my second big chop, my hair was severely damaged, and I'm not certain whether this was chemical, mechanical, or steam damage, or whether it was a combination of these three. But I quickly realized that I needed to basically repair my hair, or at least help strengthen my hair, and the protein treatments have really helped in this area. So the other product or brand that I've incorporated into my hair regimen would be Olapex. And Olapex is a bond treatment that helps temporarily repair the bonds in your hair, and I have been using the majority of the product line, especially the number 3 treatment. So I usually use Olapex every couple of weeks, every 2 to 3 weeks or so, because it is on the higher end of product, so it is pricier. And the actual volume of product you get is quite small. I think it's about 3 fluid ounces for the number 3 product, which is the main one that people tend to use for repairing your hair. At least once a month I've been incorporating Olapex. And I do have an upcoming video where I review the entire line of Olapex, so if you're interested, then make sure you stay tuned for that. I really think that Olapex has overall helped to improve the health of my hair over this last year and a half. So now let's get on to the interesting part, which would be some photo comparisons. So as you can see here, this is my hair at my very first big chop on November 3rd, 2012. And this is how my hair flourished over those years. As you can see here, just over the years how my hair has changed. And this is my hair at my second big chop, which would have been September 13th, 2020. This photo is when I did a silk press in October of last year. On the left hand side, you can see my ends were so raggedy, and that is before the trim. And on the right hand side, that is after a trim. And now currently I have a silk press. I got this done yesterday at the salon. These are some photos here of before a trim and after the trim. As you can see here, there was some damage towards the left hand side of my hair. You can see it's quite see-through. You can see through the ends, and that was what was trimmed off, but there was still a bit of this damage that was left. At my second silk press, you can see I had a second region of damage where you can actually see the hair was also thinning. So I have had this setback. I'm not quite sure what could have caused this, whether it's from mechanical damage, from detangling. I'm not quite certain, but yeah, so I did have a setback, another setback, as you can see here. So now moving on to my plans for 2022. So for this year, I really want to focus on the length of my hair. So for 2022, I really want to keep my hair up and away from the elements, basically, and from my clothing. And I thought to myself, I'm gonna try mini twists, mini braids, and cornrow styles. So flat twists, cornrow styles, things like that. I definitely am going to be doing those in 2022 because my hair gets really frizzy really quickly. So I probably would keep in, let's say if I did an updo, a cornrow updo, I'll probably keep it in for 2 weeks at a time, take it out, wash my hair, have a week's break, and then go back to having another style. It could be a mini twist style, mini twist or mini braids. I'll keep in for longer. I'll try to stretch it 3 to 4 weeks, have a week break, and then move on to the next style. I want to get past this threshold, like where the hair is just not, you know, when it's curly, it's on the shoulders. I want to get to a point where my hair is curly like this point after the shoulders, so it's not rubbing and causing friction on my shoulders. And I think that's really going to help with the overall health of my hair, reduce the number of split ends, and in the long term help with my length retention. Are there any other tips that you can help me try or incorporate into my hair regimen for 2022? Just drop them down below. So guys, let's move on to the last part of this video, and that's going to be the length check. So guys, we're coming up to the end of this video. As you can see from my length check, my hair is still pretty much uneven, but I think it definitely is much better than what I started out with in 2020. I mean, what was this? What was this? But yeah, so positive vibes, positive thinking. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, then please give this a thumbs up. If you are new to my channel, stick around, watch a couple of videos, and if you love my content, I would love it if you would join the family. Hit that red subscribe button just down below, and also turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified of whenever I post new videos. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!